How to add an email signature in Zoho CRM. First things first, log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage where you can see all your options and tools. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. Look for a little gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click on it. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see an option called Personal Settings under the General section. Go ahead and click on that. On the left side, you'll see a menu with different options. Look for one that says Channels and click on it. Now that you're in the Channels section, you'll see a few options. Click on the one that says Email. In the Email section, you should see a button that says Add New Signature. Click on it to start creating your email signature. You'll be asked to give your signature a name. Just type in something that makes sense to you. There's a drop-down menu where you can pick which email address you want this signature to be linked to. Finally, after you've filled everything out, click the Save button to save your new signature. And that's how you add an email signature in Zoho CRM. It's quick and easy, and now your emails will look more professional. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.